Huh? What?
The stance, bro.
Oh yeah, nah, the back is slammed, bro. I might go higher to be honest, because the fender liner is like rubbing crazy. But bro, look at this thing. Shout out to my boy Blake. He told me pull up here. Hella cars. We got another 340. He said he got an Alibaba turbo, so this might be the method. But I'm stuck between upgrading turbos for this or getting a F82, bro. But this thing's so crazy. And he said he's gonna give me a ride in this. So let's see what that's like. It's like 600 wheel. Today's the first day of like officially car season, the first car meet. So I'm gonna show y'all boys some of the cars that's there. This M4 is crazy, bro. Like, this is my dream car. I know you guys been hearing me talk about this so much, but yeah, this is my first time actually close up on an M4 like this, not at a meet. So this is crazy to see, bro. Yeah, this is next for sure though. Like, whatever car I'm getting next, definitely this shit, bro. But I still might just upgrade my turbo on this. Hey bro, I could see myself in this, G. Shit, this is my first time in the M4, bro. That shit's so nice. Hey, thank you, bro. I appreciate that, man. For real. Cause that's my first time in one. Oh, it's wrong. Oh shit. I think so clean. Nothing looks better than the F82 rolling, bro. Shit. Bro, this might just be the like my favorite clip ever. My car, a 340 upgraded turbo, and this M2 is fully, not M2, it's M2. This M4 is fully bolt on. He said make it like 550 wheel.
I was trying to picture a tape. I was close to coming.
I can hear that shit already.
Oh yeah, bro. You can like, it's so audible. Like,
I got this shit in my mouth trying to down. I know it's alright, but I'm eating right now trying to talk.
you need iPhone charger or USB-C?
No, it was good.
That one's good.
Bro, I'm so hyped about
That turbo is loud though.
Yeah.
Like fuck.
And that's like, no. I wonder if the camera picks up
The turbo. Yeah, I wonder if they're gonna see. Oh yeah, I can tell this is faster than my car already. Or maybe because I'm passenger. I'm never a passenger.
It's different. It's a different feeling in passenger.
Yeah.
Because like when you're in the driver's seat, you know how much you're pressing on the gas and how like what you expect from it.
Bro! That shit fast as fuck.
Yeah, bro, like,
flying.
you gotta just like keep going.
Yo, hey, look at the numbers for this place, bro. I believe it. This shit's fast as fuck. Yo! Yo! That shit just goes. Dog. Bro, it delivers like a top mount. It just, yeah, it's a 67, 69, bro.
It just keeps going, my guy.
A few moments later.
Fuck. Fuck. And there's some car there, some bomba car there. I never knew what this was. Valhalla. Bro, this is so crazy. Like, imagine seeing this just rolling around on the road. I would actually tweak out, bro. That Bentley just boss, like, there's levels. In the parking lot, I see Lambos in the parking lot, but they ain't parked beside everyone else. Lambo, I didn't even know about. What's it called? Let me see. Big old color. Oh, nah, I ain't no. Let me see. Nice 500 LT. I love McLarens too, bro. Full out interior. Crazy. I ain't never seen like this Maserati. I don't even know what it is. Escalade V. Damn, bro. Today is a car-filled day. Yeah, they just so baller, bro. Like, I would actually own one. Like, look at these. Crazy. This is just a 43 too. It looks so crazy though. Imagine riding in this at night.
What does it mean when it says electrified?
Bro, I think a Rolls is definitely, a Cullinan specifically, is definitely one of my dream cars. Like an unrealistic dream car. This is one of them. Look at these bikes. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need a bike, G. I want too much and I ain't got too much money. Damn.